Right, just like the video said, we're gonna go and talk about possessive nouns. Okay, so go to page 25 right here where it says possessive nouns. I want to get a highlighter. This is important. Possessive nouns show that something belongs to one or more people. Okay, people, places, or things. So this is important. If it's a singular noun, you just add apostrophe s. Okay. You could add an apostrophe after the final s in a regular plural noun to show possessive nouns. Okay, just here's an example, Max's. But if it's plural, just add an apostrophe after the final s. Okay. Here's some nouns that have irregular plural forms, meaning their spelling changes when it's plural. Okay, so like mice, children, people, men, and women, you just use an apostrophe s after them, and here's an example, like women apostrophe s. Okay, all right, let's move on. So it says on the line, write the possessive form for each underlined plural noun. So look at the example. If it's plural already, what do I need? If it ends in an S, what do I need? Just an apostrophe right in front, right after the final S, correct? If it's not plural, what do I need to add?
Add an S and an apostrophe.
Apostrophe S, if it's not plural. If it doesn't end in an S. Okay? So watch. Okay. The courage of the soldiers. So, if the soldiers is underlined, it has an S already, right? It has an S. So what do I need?
Apostrophe.
Just an apostrophe like that. What? Page 25. There you go. All right. Look at number 3 though. Okay, the pets of some people. What goes there? Apostrophe S. Even though it's plural already, it's apostrophe S for that one. Okay. So we're going to do 2 and 4 together. Okay. So for 2, you already have neighbors, right? No, you already have the word neighbors. Neightbors, right? Right? So all you need is to add what? An apostrophe. Should look like that. For 4, what you should have. Tell me, what should I need? So I have the word ants. Okay. I just need an apostrophe. Okay. So let's do this one together. It says the basketball team of the men. Okay. So you ask yourself, the basketball team belongs to who?
The men.
Yeah, so men's basketball, the men's basketball team plays on Sunday. And then 6 says, I brush the manes of the horses. Who owns the manes?
The horses.
Yes, so I brush you start with the pronoun first, so the horses, apostrophe, the horses' manes. All right, so technically all this stuff should be highlighted. Again, a possessive noun shows that something belongs to one or more places, people, places, or things. If it's singular, just add apostrophe s, like the princess castle was made of stone. If it's plural, just put an apostrophe after the final s, like this. So I said you should have this. It's fighter, and it's singular, right? So I just need an apostrophe s. Miss Wu, singular. All I need is apostrophe s, right? But here it's brothers. It has an s already at the end. So what do you need? Just an apostrophe like this. Don't change it. Don't add apostrophe s because it's not singular. And then says the sister of my father or my father's sister. Father singular, apostrophe s. That's what it needs. Now we're just replacing the 3 puppies of my dog. So who owns the puppies?
The dog.
So it's my dog's 3 puppies are adorable. And then we replace the batteries in our smoke detector. Who owns the batteries? Yes, so we replace the smoke detector's batteries. You should have this. I'm gonna write it way over here so I can have room. The bus's seats are really uncomfortable. You can borrow the bike that belongs to my sister. Who owns this? Who owns the bike?
Sister.
Sister. So you, if I'm writing, you're writing, right? You can borrow my sister's bike. Yes. What page is this? 37. You can borrow my sister's bike. And then I mow the lawns of my neighbors. So whose lawn? Whose lawn?
The neighbor.
And I already have neighbors is already plural. I mow my neighbors. It ends with an S, so I just need an apostrophe. My neighbor's lawn. This is the table for the children.
This is the children's table.
Yeah, this is the children's table. And then the rules of my boss are tough but fair. Who owns the rules?
My boss is tough.
Yeah. So apostrophe s, or is s applied like that. My boss's rules are tough but fair. All right, go to the first page. We're just going to work on this first. Okay. And I'm going to highlight this. This is important. It says an idiom is a phrase that means something different from what the words seem to mean. Okay. For example, when you say give someone a hand, that does not mean that you take your hand and give it to them. Okay. Okay, and the direction says draw a line from each idiom to the picture that shows what the words seem to mean. Okay. So like this. So look. Ready? Watch. When it says raining cats and dogs, isn't it here? Like this? Right? Isn't this the cats and dogs? Yes? But what does it really mean? So here's what it seems to mean, like dogs and cats are falling out of the sky, but it really means what? It rains really heavy, right? So that means so that's what I'm making two lines like that. Okay, so then I just made the two lines. What you should do? So look at this picture. What's going on there? It looks like she has what? Butterflies in her stomach. But that really means what? She's nervous. So which one of these shows that she's nervous?
She's singing in the corner.
Yeah, right here. It looks like she's singing. She has a mic in front of her. Okay. Ants in your pants. Obviously, it's probably this one right here. Okay. And where would I draw the line to? On the right. If you have ants in your pants, it really means you can't really sit still, huh? It's like this little kid moving. Okay. And then in the doghouse goes right there. But if you're in the doghouse, sometimes you might have heard your mom tell your dad, "You're in the doghouse." What do you think it means? Blowing your nose like you're sick, or something? It looks like this person right here is in trouble, huh? Okay. Feeling under the weather, okay, is here, and that just means that you're sick or you're not feeling well. Okay.